Okay, so you're
Oh,
live.
it's Coach Rubber Snow. What's up?
What's up, Raha
Good
Snow?
morning, good morning, good morning. This is gonna be like
Good
the
morning,
biggest shit show in the forex industry. Well, fuck it.
Good evening, good evening, good
Good
evening. Oh,
evening.
the live stream end?
All right, so background, display capture. Now it's like a bunch of them. It's like Inception in here.
Whoa!
Good. Can you see it?
You can't see shit.
Can't see shit.
Oh yeah, it's there, it's there.
It's
Something
there,
is
right?
happening here.
Okay.
Oh, this is old stream. Oh, it says you're live right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
You can see the
Here's
trading
what I
view.
see. Oh, I can see the chart.
Awesome! Whoa!
Yeah,
Perfect.
look. This is what I see. I see the chart.
Yeah, no,
look,
yeah, just like that.
Yeah, so now you gotta adjust the screen.
How?
Yeah, you gotta adjust the window now.
Okay.
Like look. So now you're gonna go on your OBS. Right? And in OBS, look at this. See this here? You can adjust the screen like this.
Right. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is like a bunch of screens. It's like Inception, this thing.
Oh yeah, oh no. Oh.
Okay, got it. I think so. Alright, this is the part that I want.
Bro, you need a second monitor. I'm gonna send you a second monitor.
Oh my god, for real?
Okay. No, but you have a MacBook, man. That's no good.
No, but I can plug in a second monitor. Okay, so I got this down. So that's the picture. The layout.
This is what we see right now on YouTube.
Yeah, I know. Now I'm trying to figure this out. Like, stay like that. Stay looking at it.
No, but you're a MacBook, man. That's no good.
Still not showing. What the fuck?
Yo, what's going on?
I don't know.
Bro, are you lost?
I'm so lost.
Oh.
Jeevan knows how to do this shit, no? Well, you know how to do. What am I saying? But he's the one that set up this freaking layout for me, and I just put it on. But with the display capture, what I'm seeing is like a bunch of different screens. You know, it's like this. 7. Okay, better.
Show me your screen.
This is what I see. You know, and once I move it, like I'm trying to like make it smaller, like this.
No. Whoa. I don't even know what the fuck's going on. Okay, move your phone back. Yeah. All right. So yeah, you're fucking it up. Bring it back where it was.
Right here.
Yeah,
it's like
right
that.
there. Yeah. Now hold it right there. Yeah. Hold it right there. Like that. It's just gonna update on YouTube right now.
Okay. Hey, relax.
Oh, it's not updating on YouTube. Oh yeah, it is. Hold on. Okay, perfect. So now, yeah, so now you gotta get rid of this frame over here.
This one, right? The second one?
Yeah. Hit delete. Hit delete.
Delete.
Oh. Yeah, you gotta remove that frame. That frame is fucking up everything.
This try. Okay, I'm gonna just remove. Yes. I'm just leaving everything, you know, just the display capture.
Yeah.
And this one right here. Boom.
Yeah, I think this thing is covering your display capture.
Okay. So I'm gonna overlay the display capture.
Just hide it.
Yeah.
Hide it. Yeah. Press that I
Let
button.
me hide this for now.
Yeah, perfect. So now we got the hold on. I forgot. And it's gonna update now on YouTube.
Oh wow, DJ looks like good for sales right now.
Yeah, your YouTube is lagging a lot.
Yeah,
you need to change the lag settings as well. Okay, hold on. It's doing something.
Look at this guy. What is he doing? Little guy, Lex. Okay.
Okay, nothing's happening now.
Nothing's happening. Wait, let me look. Let me do the display capture. Oh, because I have to move it.
What the fuck are you doing over there?
Like this. Now look. Look in the YouTube.
Yeah, it's
still
loading right now. There's a lot of lag. Oh, okay. Something's happening now.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. Go back there. Go back to display capture.
Right here.
Yeah. Do like a new display capture.
Okay, let's take this one out. Remove. So the only thing that's gonna show right now is the layout that Jeevan made. Not you.
Yeah, remove the layout as well.
Okay, let's remove it.
Yeah, remove it.
Yeah, that's nothing. It's completely blank.
Okay, perfect.
I'm in the background section. You know where it says background here? Okay. So now we're gonna add a sources, and it's gonna be display capture.
No, bro. Listen.
Okay.
You gotta go to source, and then you gotta press plus.
Okay.
And then go to display capture.
That's what I just said.
Okay.
Okay. Add source, display capture, name it like that, right? Just like that.
And then you name it.
Oh, look, display.
And hold on.
Crop.
And now you gotta figure out which display are you using. Press this display thing. You see display.
Display. Okay. It just says 0, 0, 0.
0, 0.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Just leave it at that. Hit OK.
Crop manual. Oh no.
To window. No. Leave it as
To window.
Window.
Or none. None.
Yeah.
No crop. Okay. Same thing happening. Now, look. Did it switch?
No. Hold on. Yeah, it's not. It's cropping it. You know what you need to do? You need to open this chart on that same window. Yeah, right here on this.
Oh, yeah, on this. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just minimize this. Close.
Oh, yo, listen. Okay, stop.
Okay.
You see how your window? Oh, now I can see the chart.
Oh. Okay.
Oh yeah, see how this window is cut in half?
Right.
So okay, stop moving your mouse.
Okay.
And move your phone to the right hand side a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, just drag that circle. That thing, exactly. Bring it in.
Smaller.
Yeah, now you gotta fit this on the black screen.
Okay.
Yeah. Make it more smaller. Right. Yeah. See that? So this thing has to fit exactly on the black.
Okay, got it. Right now. Boom. Right there.
Got it. Okay.
All right, now let's go to the chart.
Adjust on YouTube. And then I'm going to be able to see, hold on, it's still adjusting. It's adjusting. Okay, perfect. So now, hold on. It's going to adjust more. Oh, wow, look at that. And see this? Now you see my YouTube
Yeah,
screen?
I see it perfect. Just a little more, right? A little bigger?
Perfect.
All right, now, okay, perfect. Now I can switch to the chart, right? Awesome! You got it. Wow, it's so different. No, yeah, because it's lagging, it's lagging. It's lagging. So, look, now. Wait, give it a second. Refresh it. And now you should be able to see the chart.
Oh, now I see the chart.
Perfecto. Okay, I'm not lagging on my side. It's perfect. There's a delay, but that could be fixed. I'm gonna reset the router, and for the delay, I just gotta high panel and high floating. Okay. Yeah, there is a huge delay, so most likely it's because
now what you gotta do is go to stream delay. Yeah, okay, so go to settings in OBS.
Okay. Right here.
Go to settings. Then go to advanced. And then stream delay.
20 seconds. So switch that to what? One. Enable. Or 0. Well, wait, let's leave it at 1. Okay, now? How about now? Better? Refresh YouTube.
One. Enable. Or 0. Well, wait, let's see what I want.
That's what you've seen on YouTube? Okay.
Refresh YouTube. That's good.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Let's see. All right, let's say I'm entering a position at this moment, blah, blah, blah. So look at your screen. Can you see it at the same time how it's setting the RR?
Yeah, we're good.
Perfect. Awesome.
Mac Attack is ready.
Ready to launch. So this is going to be a fun, keep it 100 stream for the thotties and the likies and the dogs. And we'll bring up the holes in the house.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Coach.
All right.
Tune in. Make sure you click the like button.
Okay.
Bye.
I can tell right now Mac is so nervous and anxious and having a legit 100% real anxiety attack right now. Not everybody has it, you know? Not everybody has that that it factor, you know?
Guy, hurry the fuck up, guy. My fucking 40 minutes of Zoom wasted, gonzo. Guy, hurry the fuck up, guy. My fucking 40 minutes of Zoom wasted, gonzo.
That man's literally like 4'9", yo. Like, fuck, man. This game Santa's workshop. Workshop. That man.
YouTube is up and running, Mac.
Yes, sir. Up and running.
All right.
Look it up. Give it a like.
Okay. What's the?
It's Asian Persuasion Session. I'm gonna send the link right now on the chat. Give me 1 second. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get on my other account and I'm gonna go ahead and.
That man's literally like 4'9", yo. Like, fuck, man. This game's.
Let's do a T. Alright, so it looks good like that.
Santa's workshop.
Alright, perfect. So in case I want to take a trade.
I can't find Asian Persuasion on YouTube.
Look on the chat, Kerwin. I posted up the link.
Okay. Okay.
So in case I want to take a trade.
I can't find Asian Persuasion on YouTube. Okay, got it.
Alright, so click on it.
Okay. And looks clean. Looks good.
Looks good, right? Now I need the overlay so I can put it on top. And
I can't find Asian Persuasion on YouTube. Okay, got it.
maybe if I'm gonna put the router instead of Wi-Fi, it's gonna be Ethernet. Looks good, right? Now I need the overlays.
I'll be back in a second.
I'm gonna add a I can put it up. How's everyone doing? Go ahead and if you're watching this, please type in something so I can know. If you don't have a YouTube account, go into Slack and let me know if you guys can watch it. I mean, basically, I'm just looking for sales down below 138, 400. If price stays below that, it's this area here should be good for sales. So I'm on the 5-minute also create a small resistance here. As long as it stays below this area, should be good. And it's breaking. So I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. If it closes like this, when it's actually how it's breaking, it should be good enough to get a 10 pip move down below to 138, 180. Then again, it's Asian, so be careful, guys. You know, manage your risk. I wouldn't go with a big lot size. Just try to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, so it's working out fine. So as long as it's 15-minute, can you guys hear me? Alright, perfect. So as long as this 15-minute stays below this current 15, should be pretty much easy and safe for it to go down here and at least retest this wick down below at 138, 200. So, you know, see. Thing about Asian is that a lot of fake outs happen, and so at this point I'll be just closing half if I'm in the trade, and and just make sure that you don't get hit full TP. Yeah, I closed half as it was going into my entry, but um, I'm leaving half of the position run. Not risking that much. So basically, my stop is at 3 pips. If it goes above that 5 minute bearish candle here, this one, I'll be closing the whole position. But other than that, I think it should continue down with the Asian Open and at least retest this wick down below here. So, oh, that's the thing about Asian is that we really don't trade it much because we get a lot of fake outs, and since we got a big move today, most of the time we might get a retracement, or we might just range. I'm doing this stream just to try to answer questions and see and help as much as I can on whatever aspects you guys have regarding trading, life, whatever. Just shoot me with questions and I'll be able to answer. But I just ran out of my Zoom time. I had 40 minutes and it's gone so. So at this point, I would just close my whole position as I see it's going against me. So the thing about Asian is that anyone who's trying to trade it, just always be careful with it because it's tricky. Let me check this out. This is what the heck. Yeah, no, I did not burn this scarf. I kept it. Keeps me warm. So I'll be doing this Tuesdays and Thursdays, or maybe sometimes when I see that there's gonna be maybe a good move. Do you trade or hold Bitcoin? No, I only hold only crypto that I'm holding right now is Ripple. Not holding any other coins at the moment. I don't really get into the whole crypto thing. I just trade currencies and indices maybe sometimes.
Everybody, this is the time. 379 comments. So what? Right. All right.
So as you see, guys, it's actually rejecting that area super hard on the 15-minute. Anyone who's willing to take a trade right now and didn't take that sell, or you're looking to take a trade, if you see a break above this current 15-minute wick above here, it will be good to say that it's you could get at least a nice trade up to the next resistance area. That should be around here. Let me just mark it down. It could go like this, retest up, and then continue down. but I'm not taking any trades. Asian is very tricky, like I said before. I don't want to, put an RR on the just plaster an RR on the screen so people could go ahead and take a trade. It's a nice 16 pip range. But other than that, it's fucking shitty bullshit. See how it's just ranging right now? Like it's horrible. That's the thing about Asian. Like you gonna if you take a trade, you take a buy, you take a sell, and you're gonna be stuck in that range. You don't know what's going on. It's 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. You're in the middle of a fucking trade. You don't know if it's going up or down. This 15 closed with no wick at the bottom. Now it's heading down again. So, might get that trade at the end of the day, but that's a lot of stress you're going through. So if you would have taken this trade right now, as it's breaking the low, right here, you could definitely get at least 10 pips, at a 7 pip stop down below, down to here, even target this wick right here. And that should play out. So whoever wants to jump in, take it, go ahead, just be safe, don't do any irrational thing. Hornito G. Hey, yeah. Your trade ticket is covering your chart. What? My trade ticket. I'm gonna have Jeevan help me out real quick, guys. So whoever's watching this, just make sure that if you're in the trade, just manage it. Let's do this. I'm gonna set up an overlay. First trade called. It's actually in profit. Should definitely hit that. Bam. Nope. I changed it. What is this? But I give it a second chance to what the trade? No, I'm not trading this. I'm just giving you guys an idea. But as of right now, we got a really good close on it. So where is in the trade? You definitely get your 10 pips and get out. Let's call it, go in, get out, get your pips, come out. It's again 8:30. Don't want to stress anything out. If it goes, back again into the top of this range, I would definitely close everything. But other than that, I should definitely continue down and at least hit this wick down below here. So, if you don't want to stress much, what you do is that you go on the 30-minute. So basically, you're gonna see something like this. This candle, how it closed, it has a wick to the bottom, meaning that there's range. There's a huge wick to the top, meaning that there's rejection. It closed below this area, which was a previous support. Now it became resistance. Very simple trade. Second chances can work. Go ahead and re-enter and expect this trade to continue down to 138 to 200. Let me see, how can I see you guys right now? If you guys want me to analyze the chart between gang, I'll send it and I'll post it up here, and we'll go through it. This is the first time that I'm streaming, so it's gonna be a lot of shit going wrong. So don't take this too serious, guys. Then again, waiting for this to get better. And that's it. This is what I don't trade Asian, and the reason why I'm doing this channel, guys, is because I wanna show you guys the struggle that I went through in the during my first year of trading, where I started trading Asian right after I was done with work, and how I basically almost lost my head trading Asian, because it's so difficult with these pullbacks and fake outs that you definitely don't want to do it unless it's a very easy move. So basically, what I want to do is go ahead and set this up so we could pre-think and think about something for London Open, which is at 3 p.m. I mean 3 a.m. our time Eastern. But other than that, I started trading Asian back then when I, almost 2 years ago when I started trading, and it was me, Rakio, and a couple other guys, and every time it was either EJ or maybe GJ, we would always get this fake out. So we try to master it, but it's very difficult. And reason why I just want to go ahead and set up this channel is to for anyone who wants to overtrade, or they want to go ahead and get an extra trade in for the day, is to just think about it, talk shit, get on the stream, go ahead and chat, whatever. I'll be able to answer any questions you have. Send me a chart, and yeah, stay off the 15-minute if you don't want to go crazy. But other than that, as you can see here, is just straight go shit. It's frustrating to trade, something like this, that it looks so good. For example, this bearish candle, how it broke the previous one, and it was, 8 a.m. Right at Asian Open. 9 p.m. will be China Open, so until that time you can get another push. But other than that, this is looking really bad. And if anyone had any sales at this moment, I would just close everything and just sit on my hands. Gold can sometimes give you a move on nation. Kerwin knows that. Ted also, might look for some move on nation. For gold, as it's breaking the high on the previous one of the previous 15-minute or 30-minute, but around this time I will go for higher time frame confirmations rather than the 5-minute or the 1-minute. It's a nice move up if gold decides to continue up. It's like at least good 30 pips. And then again, gold, guys, it could move very radical. So at this point, it could just back down, wick again, and you guys don't want to be in this shithole at this time. Once you're done, say you have some profitable trades for the day, you want to call it a day, go ahead and do so. So from here, it could definitely hit 1842, which is my next level of resistance. If you guys want to stay and watch, you're more than welcome. So let's say at this point, if I were to enter, I would just go down to the 5-minute and see how it's breaking. If this 5-minute closes, which is in 2 minutes, above this area here, which is actually doing it, definitely will be a perfect entry, just to take at least 34 pips up. You could probably get it in just one swift move all the way up, just blast up. Hey, Steven said tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, bro. What the heck? Steven says tomorrow. Da da da. Again, guys, if you want to talk shit, the overlay, yeah, we need the fucking overlay, bro. Fuck. If you guys want to talk shit about whatever the fuck you guys want to talk, go ahead, talk to me. If it's about bitches, strippers, whatever gets your mind off the charts, and you don't want to overtrade, and you want to go ahead and plan something out for upcoming moves. I was actually looking at gold, seeing if we could get something like this, which happened on the last day of November, which was an extreme pullback. We got a nice support formed right down at 1766. Might get the same thing for possible buys and continue up again and retest previous highs at 1876. I wouldn't be shorting gold at any time unless we get a nice head and shoulder inverse pattern. Yeah, I'm not nervous, bro. I'm just talking shit, Yeah, the light turned off. Dun, dun. Da. I don't even know what the fuck to talk about because I'm going back and forth and switching. I need a second screen or a laptop or something so I can just be tuned in. Get it. Just get it. I don't know how the fuck Ricky does this. This is well, unless you got a Zoom, good talk, but someone decided to go to Walmart and I ran out my 40 minutes of Zoom. Yeah, the Head and Shoulders. Okay. So what I'm doing is that I'm actually looking up the video on my phone, and if you guys are talking shit about me, I can see it. Holy fuck! How the fuck did I get 27 subscribers? Anyway, subscribe, like it, share it with your grandma, auntie, and you know the deal, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. All right, 220 pips away from not 1840 fucking 2. And that should be it. Call it a day. I'll be your favorite Asian host for the meantime. Then again, I don't suggest anyone to trade Asian. But if you want to, you got the balls, you got the cowboy hat, tune in. Let's see. So I'm gonna go on World Star. If anyone had an entry, that would have been perfect around here. Bam. Yeah, nobody wants to see this shit. Fuck that. Yo, thoughts on Bitcoin? I don't trade that shit. Fuck that. Some tequila, no. I don't drink. Blank the lines. Wow, amazing analysis. Mega model. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for a year and 8 months. About to be 2 years almost. Oh, hey Nikki. Thoughts on GJ? Don't look at GJ. GJ is a shithole right now, so I wouldn't even be looking at it. Now for London, I'll definitely be looking for a pullback up to 138.800. Get some relief for it to continue down. Other than that, we're still ranging on the daily. Weekly is bullish, but then again, if we don't break these highs at 141 to 100, the sentiment will definitely be bearish. Continuing down to 126, the lowest, depending on how shittier the UK can get, which, you know, it's really hard to get any shittier than what it is. Very nice. High five. Wow, we want. It's like fucking Inception in this bitch. Look at this. Yo, remember, share this stream with your mama, your grandma, your auntie and them, your cousins, anyone who trades and you feel stuck during Asia, got nothing to do because of this C shit. Can't say the word. I'm not even monetized. But, you know, Forever in Profit can suck my dick. Don't be bringing no other shit around here. You know the drill. Other people's fucking mental courses and shit. Share with your dog, your puppies, your cat, your everything. You know, share it. Sharing is love. I want it all. What we want. How did you get in gold? What was your analysis? This is going to be the best Asian stream. 100. 100. How did I get in gold? I'm not trading. First and foremost, I should do a disclaimer around here. Let me just fucking type it up. I don't trade Asian. I shouldn't be trading Asian. If I were to trade Asian, for example, on gold, I'll just look at the trend. Trend is fucking bullish, you know. At this point, it actually makes it did some sort of support on the 30-minute at the, right at 1837. My analysis will be that it will continue up. I have my areas marked. My next area of resistance is 1843, 42. And I'll show you why. I'll go in the 1 hour. And these are previous zones marked up from previous ranges, highs and lows. So it only makes sense that the next touch or wick will be at 1842, since we can start consolidating and ranging around this area. Now for the entry, you could go on the 5-minute, you know, to minimize your drawdown. and what we can see, let me draw this for you guys. So highs at 1839.500. So this 5-minute candle actually broke this, closed above. It's retesting this low right now, so it should bounce off here and continue up. Now if this 5-minute closes below here, then I'll call that trade invalid and close it. But other than that, it should continue up and continue up, sorry, and hit the desired target, which is 1842. Okay. Can I do a quick analysis on Bitcoin? Yeah, sure, why not? I don't trade fucking Bitcoin, but fuck it, I'll do it. See. God damn, it smells like fucking weed in here. I haven't even smoked. Oh, damn. Getting the sniffles. So you see guys, on gold is still bouncing off this, so it should be good. Continuing up. Let's do the fucking Bitcoin. So I'm going Bitcoin based on Kraken, yeah. Coinbase, to Coinbase. Alright, Bitcoin technical analysis going on live. Wow. So let me go ahead and zoom out. And let's start with the daily. Okay. Alright. So let's do the most recent price action on Bitcoin. So we're gonna draw a resistance right above here, which is 19,700. It's the highest it's been since December of 2017. So at this point, this is a good area of interest. As we can see, either Bitcoin pushing up or down. So you see guys on gold how it bounced off this support that I drew here. So it should continue up. Bitcoin. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna draw this. It's gonna be an area of interest for either a breakout or a fake out. But at this point, what I'm seeing is just relief from Bitcoin, so it can continue down, retest previous lows and highs, and continue up. It's extremely bullish, but right now the daily did reject 19,700. We're going to 30-minute. Wow, it just rejected it. It was super hard. So at this point, I don't know if whoever trades Bitcoin, if you're doing it for the long term or you scalp it. But let's say that you're scalping Bitcoin and you're going based on the 30-minute, which is really hard since most brokers have high spreads on Bitcoin. But anyway, let's say that you're on the 30-minute and you decide to go short on it, which would be the best option for now. I'm gonna draw my support area at this point, which it was previously at this double bottom or whatever the fuck you guys want to call it, tweezer bottoms. I don't give a fuck, you know, it's just a break and retest. So I created support. We expect this to hit again 17,700, 17,753. If we do get a break below this area, if and only if we break below 17,740, let's say 50, just to make it even. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go ahead and look for the previous area of low and consolidation, which will be right around here. Bang. That right there, it's a $186. I mean, an $18 move. It's not that much, but then again, it could break. But honestly, technically, it doesn't even make any sense for anyone to trade Bitcoin for a couple of dollars. If we do start making support around this area, let's say create some support here, we can definitely catch a long to either retest this previous high, which is 18,440. I don't know anything. Honestly, I don't even know what the fuck am I saying about Bitcoin, because I don't know anything about Bitcoin. It has no structure to me. It's not appealing to my eye. It looks like a naked tranny. I don't want to do it. Yeah, just buy fucking Bitcoin, bro. Fuck it. What the fuck you trading Bitcoin for? If you're gonna buy Bitcoin, just hold it. Oh shit, somebody, we are back. Other than that, and shorting Bitcoin at this point will be a little risky since we're very bullish. So stay out of it. So this is what I'm talking about Asian. Asian is a fucking piece of shit. So on the 30-minute, it looks perfect. It looks beautiful. It looks like a princess. It looks like the finest stripper you can see at a strip club. But going down to the 15, going down to the 5-minute, you start seeing rejection, and then you start seeing consolidation, and this is where your nerves start fucking cracking. But you definitely don't want to be stuck in here, because in gold you can get a whipsaw and you can get hit back onto your entry, and you just wasted about 50 minutes of your day for no reason. Other than that, if you're a free spirit and you want to go ahead and let it run, swing it, because at this point it will be a fucking swing, and just let it go up to 1842. Then I'll go with a smaller size lot, and as soon as I I'm up maybe 10 pips, I'll go risk free and just let it ride. On GJ, it looks like holy shit, this looks so bad. GJ tried to break down on the 30-minute. It actually did break below 138,400. Started to create some sort of support at 138,300. On the 15-minute, created consolidation on a small range. It popped up again. Wow, this is so much garbage. And it created a square of gold shit. This is shit. Pure shit. Pure smelly shit. But yeah, definitely as soon as 8 a.m. hit, 8 p.m. Asian Open, it did look good for sales. I was actually looking at the 5-minute. It did break below here. With a nice strong break. If we had more volume, we would definitely see a break below here and continuing down to 138, 180. This is from previous zones that I drew on the 1 hour. I'm gonna take it out here. Go back. So yeah, this is where that came from. It's a small low created back in on 7th of December, 3 days ago. And the next one will be here. But it's Asian. That's the only way for me to explain it. Asian persuasion. So once I set up the mic, I can have people talk It's gonna be like kind of like a maybe Joe Rogan type of environment. You know, we can talk shit, talk about whatever, and let the time pass by. And if we see a trade that's reasonable and looks dope, we can go ahead and take it. I remember Asian being a bit more decent before this evening. No, Asian has always been trash. Asian has always been fucking persuasion garbage. But then again, you know, called out this little nice, is it like fucking like 10 pips trade on gold. We should continue up. And also, as soon as I started the stream, GJ was breaking down. It did hit like 5 pips below here, and then it, you know, started to reject. I closed everything. I'm not trading again. Reason why I set this up, because I'm bored and I know a lot of people are on the same level. I mean, on the same shit, you know, we got nothing to do. So you start looking at the charts and looking for trades that are gonna be super invalid. But then again, it's always good to go ahead and backtest and see what possible moves can happen overnight and even in the morning. So for now, gold is still bullish on the smaller time frames. So I'll be looking for buys until we hit this area 1842. Then I'll be looking for sells if we break above here. Next area will be 1848. Go ahead and draw this. And Friday, I usually don't trade, so I wouldn't be looking for anything else on Friday. If I stay open, I can trade London session. No, I during the week, like midweek, let's say around 3 a.m. my time, 2 a.m. I'll wake up, and if I see a move happening, like for example last night on GJ, I woke up at 2:30, I believe. So I saw this. Price was at 139,400. It pulled all the way back, then it broke it. On the 50-minute, if you can see here, this is what, so it was a very tricky entry due to the fact that this 50-minute had no top wick, meaning that there was no range to the top, but it continued down, and then I was targeting these support areas down below here. But my main TP was the 139 on 900. I mean, 139 flat. At that point, I'm sorry guys, I'm a little fucking sick. It was only like a 36 pip move. So, but you know, this is why once you start planning overnight and then you want to long trade, and you know you want to stay for the long run and catch more pips per se, you want to let this run on a partial position you might have taken. In my case, I always close 80% around 10 pips and leave the rest run, or close it if it goes against me. Let's say this scenario from last night, how it happened. Let's go back to the 30 minutes to see it more clear. So yeah, I wish I could just block this so you guys can see. So you know, it did try to break above 139,700, 800. Didn't. Consolidated, it ranged pre-London, Asian, what is happening right now. It's just ranging. Then at that point, it was already 2 a.m. Eastern time. Market is getting ready for London open. So during pre-London, 2 a.m., I started looking for sales as it was breaking lows. And my main level was 39,400, which it did break on a 15-minute with a nice clean break. No wick to the top, perfect entry, blah blah blah. Then again, I closed right at 20 pips. I usually don't hold trades for that long, knowing that GJ is really hard to swing. Yeah, I closed around here. Yeah, 139, 140. It whipped all the way back up again at that point. So, yeah, you see here? It broke down, then rejected, it went up. It looked like it was gonna range, but then it broke down again, super hard. But this right now, what's going on? This whole deal, it's garbage. And for that person trading, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Fucking at any time, the shit will just whip all the way back up and kill you. Kill you. Let's get it. Anyway, guys, it's already 9:05. I'm gonna call it a night. I'll be doing these sessions twice per week. Ah, fuck. Ah, I hit my thumb. Ah. Ah. If you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up on Zoom. I mean, not Zoom. I don't have Zoom. I gotta pay for fucking Zoom. Hit me up on Instagram or Slack. I'll see you guys in the morning, 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. Wicks don't lie, and maybe we could have Jeevan in it as well. But if you have any questions, any concerns, do not overtrade, please. Feel free to hit me up. I'm out, guys. Have a great night. Go ahead and like the stream, give it a like, share it, whatever.